All right, what is going on? Let's look at Bitcoin and Fearcoin and some of those other ones. I gotta turn the light. All right, so let's look at Bitcoin. Let me double check the volume. That looks to be good. Not what I wanted to do. All right, so let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin making new daily highs. I mean, obviously it was at 65K, but at least on the monthly time frame, this month and last month, we're making new highs. So we're continuing this uptrend. Obviously, it is saying on the 1 hour chart we are going to go down. I really don't think that's going to happen. I think Bitcoin's about to start going parabolic, and I think it's going to start disregarding to some extent some of these God fans saying we're topping out here. I think maybe locally we could stall here, but I don't think we're going to go all the way down to this next trend line at 50K. I just don't see Bitcoin doing that, but it's possible, I guess. We also have a trend line right here, just a little ways. I mean, it's also saying 54K would also be a trend line we could bounce at. I do see that possibly happening and go down to $1,000 or something. I just don't think it's going to be a $5,000 dip, but we will see. I do think by the end of this month, Bitcoin is at $65,000 or higher, so we'll see what happens with that. If you guys want to see any coins, let me know. But yeah, 65K by the end of this month. It does look like at 57K, 57.3, we have resistance from the last time Bitcoin got up close to 65K, which was probably 4 or 5 months ago. I don't know exactly when it was at all-time highs. I can go back and look, but not right now. So yeah, that 57.3 is the next resistance, and then it looks like 63.8. And then probably 65K, and then it's moon time, in my opinion. And I think by the end of this week, we probably touch 57K, if not in the next 24 hours. So we'll see. And when I say end of the week, I'm thinking Sunday. So, but usually Sundays are dip days when crypto goes down. I don't know if that's gonna be the case this weekend, but we will see. But yeah, short term, I think we go up to 57K by the end of this week. And that's kind of that. Let's go check out Ethereum. Ethereum is currently at 3,600 basically, and it's looking like our next major resistance line is 41.36. And it's also God fans are also saying you should go down here on Ethereum, but I don't see you going below. I definitely don't see you going below 3K, but I don't even really see you going below this green trend line here at 3,500 is probably going to be the local bottom here in the next 24 hours. I could be wrong about that. So look for 41.36 in the next 7 days. It's kind of my target in the next 7 days on Ethereum. So I'm bullish on that. So, I mean, if you look in the super small time frames, I think Bitcoin and Ethereum could stall out or go down a little bit, but I don't see it going, below 3K this week. So, all right, another coin I want to talk about is, I believe Monday when I was live, Fearcoin went all the way up here to $1.28, maybe a little bit higher. So basically got rejected there. Since then, Fearcoin has come down to 97, basically 98 cents was the bottom. You got the bounce. You bounced at close to $1, which is support, and now you're going back up. The local high for today was $1.21, and now you're currently at $1.08. I would look, if you guys are trading this, which I am. I'm not trading, I'm investing in it. But $1 is going to be the bottom, I think, for Fearcoin. Maybe a wick below it like you had today, where it went down to 97 cents. And then your next major resistance, I think, is $1.30. So those are the targets for Fearcoin. If you guys want to look at any other coins, let me know in the chat. Also, I did buy Shibcoin today. I don't know if that's going to be a good move. I did put my stop loss here at 2,700 or whatever it was. So I don't know. I guess that's sort of full mode in, but the most I can lose is 5%, so whatever. And my entry price, I think, is $28.50. So we'll see if that was a good move or a bad move. I only put grand in, so I don't have it's not horrible if I lose $50. But yeah, that's kind of my trade on that, and we'll see if it works out. It's kind of a gamble, more than a trade really, because it was up 70% today. But I also look at this, and the all-time high is way up there. I know there's a scam wick, but the all-time high, I believe, on Binance is like 3,500 something. So you're still about 15-20% away from that. So I don't know. Shibcoin could crash from here, but I don't know. You got the dip down here to 27. About 15-30 minutes ago, and now you try to go up to 2,900. So that 3,000 level or whatever you want to call it is going to be some resistance for Shibcoin if you guys are interested in trading Shibcoin. The headset is for YouTube. So if you guys want to look on YouTube, then you can see the charts and yeah. so you can hear me on YouTube. All right, so we went over Bitcoin, we went over Ethereum, we went over Faircoin, and we went over Shipcoin. I don't know what else I was super interested in. I am in a trade on Clover Finance. I got in at $1. That's currently at $1.06. I'm just holding that. I have a stop loss at break even on that at 101. I'm in ACH, just holding on. I'm down a little bit on that. DDX, same thing. I'm down quite a bit on that. But those are longer term plays. I think I'm in Bond at $26. That's at $24.50. I'm not in AGLD, but that's one I'm watching very carefully, because if AGLD goes below $4.15, it's going to get pretty bearish. But I think that's going to be one that does very well for the rest of this bull cycle. Alright guys, if you guys don't want to see anything else, then I guess that's about it. I will see you guys. I don't know if I'll be here Friday. If I'm not, then I'll see you guys Monday for our next live stream. Until then, trade safe. I'll see you guys later.